Hey guys, my name is Steve. So I'm happy that some of the little tricks and tips that I've done on YouTube has been helpful for you guys. I appreciate it. I did have one comment that a customer got with me when he drained the fuel water separator to get the water out of the truck and he got going. He did ask a question if there was any concerns that he should have with the truck. So I actually replied back to him, and I want to give that information to you guys as well. So when you drain it and it's just water, there's a good indication, or wherever you get your fueling from, it could be some condensation that was left in the tank underground. They do happen, it's a common thing, and that's why the fuel water separators are on the trucks. Now, when you drain it and you have a different color, like red, which you see right here behind me, would be coolant. Now, that would be a concern that you would have with the truck. When you drain it and you see red coming out, and then you get that nice green, clear diesel fuel again, that's a good indication that you're gonna have an injector cup issue. Don't freak out, get it out, then go to the shop and then get the injector cups tested to be sure if that's the problem. If that's the problem, then you get it resolved and then you're back on the road. And this saved them hundreds of dollars just following the video that I posted. So I hope everything was helpful that we went over. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment.